Welcome to the Smart Resources Group. At Smart, we recycle, we create, and nothing goes to waste. From waste recycling and pallet manufacturing to the human resources provided by our labour hire division, we aim to maximise all resources. The synergies between our three divisions create great efficiencies and cost savings that can benefit your business. We can supply labour to sort and separate waste, and then we can recycle this material at one of our three depots around Melbourne. We can supply waste collection services through skip bins, rigid trucks or semi-trailers. We can supply topsoil, compost, mulch and aggregate, all from 100% recycled materials. This is our 50mm recycled wood chip. So it's made from 100% recycled timber derived from pallets, crates and boxes. And the uses for this product include landscaping mulch, boiler fuel, laneway mulch for dairy farms and particle board manufacturing. These are Australia's first and only heat treatment and drying kilns running on biofuel. So we have a bioenergy plant which uses recycled wood chip, which we make ourselves on the premises from waste pallets. We shred the fuel, use it in our bioenergy boiler to create hot water, and then we can sterilise pallets, crates, boxes to be AQUIS certified as an export item to go anywhere in the world. This is our Class 4 crushed brick. It's made from a mixture of brick, tiles, concrete. We crush it to a 20mm aggregate and it's perfect for under roads, under pavements, under hard stands and can be collected from our depot in small volumes or delivered in bulk to your site. This is our Class 3 Vic Roads approved crushed concrete aggregate. We use 100% recycled concrete, crush it to a 20mm aggregate, still has a lot of active cement through it so it packs down really hard. Perfect for use under hard stands, under buildings, road construction. We can supply bulk projects with thousands of tonnes, or it can be collected from our depot in Dandenong South in a 6x4 trailer. This is our budget blended topsoil, which is a mixture of recycled soils salvaged off new subdivisions. So the sandy loam from the southeast is screened out, mixed with gypsum, which is a clay breaker and fertiliser. We've got a lot of compost through this, a combination of food and green waste organic compost. So it's really rich in nutrients, and we also make our own compost from shredded green waste. So you end up with really good drainage, good pH, lots of nutrients, and our customer's nickname for this product is Magic Dirt, because it can grow anything. At Smart, it's all about circularity. From recycling your waste to providing you with quality landscaping products, let us provide you with environmental and economic solutions to suit your needs.